What is wrong with him? Move! Move!
Whoa!
Oh no! What is this? Help me! Help me! Here I come. Ah, found it. It's dangerous here. It's over there. Be careful. Hurry up. Slow down. It's very dangerous.
Ouch!
Stay away. Stay away. Run. Finally, here we are. Let's start.